Hey guys, it's an exciting day for our YouTube channel, What's Gas. We had our first company reach out and send us some cool stuff, and I'm really excited because it's a cell phone holder and we don't have one yet. This stuff is from Top Fit Tesla, and here's the box for that one. I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. Okay, so this one is going to go on top of the monitor. And it comes with like a little holder in the back. And then here's the holder for the cell phone. And so it looks like it's going to just attach like this. And let's put it together and show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so the very first thing that we're going to put together is the cell phone holder that actually goes like around the whole monitor. And just showing you guys this is like felt, so it's going to be really soft and it won't scratch your monitor up. Alright, and that was pretty easy. And now we're just going to put together the cell phone attachment. Okay. You can adjust this. You can adjust this however you like. And so it looks like this is just going to kind of, oh yeah, slide onto there. So I'm going to put this up high like that. Tighten it up. Oh, this says it's a no noise holder. That's cool, because you guys know I don't like the rattling. Okay, it seems like it needs to be a little tighter. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's put a phone in there. I'll show you what it looks like. Cool, and it also has a place where you can still use a charger. So I'll just plug that in. Okay, and here's the little accessory holder that you can put on the back, and it seems like really good quality. It's rubber, and it also looks like it's not going to cause any noise, and that's really good. And it just slides on the back of there. So now if we have something like glasses, we can pop them in there. I got some lotion. Throw that in there too. Lip gloss. So it looks like it holds a good amount of stuff. And it doesn't seem like it's gonna fall. Okay. Alright. And that is all for this one. Alright, so the second item that they sent us, Top Fit Tesla, is the magnet cell phone mount. And this is going to go on like the corner of the monitor. And let's open it up and show you what's inside. Okay. So this looks like it's going to just go right on the corner of the monitor with the attachment. It comes with a charger, so that's cool. It's going to charge your phone while it's on there. And then it looks like it comes with some MagSafe magnets that can go on the back of your phone. If you don't have a phone that is MagSafe compatible, you can stick this on the back and it will attach to the thing. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and attach the second one that Top Fit Tesla sent us. And this is just an up close look at it. There's an unlock and lock, which is going to kind of lower it. And the same thing on the other side. And it has rubber inside, so can you guys see that? it has rubber inside, so it's not going to damage your screen. We do have a screen protector on it, but if you don't, I would be okay putting that on there because it's like rubber. So we just lock it in. I don't want to do it too tight. All right, that feels good. Okay, now we're just going to attach the magnet. And it does have a charger attachment to it, so make sure that's kind of down, or however you want to do it, but I'm going to put it where it's facing down. Just attach that. Oops. Okay.
You have to really push it.
Okay, goodness. Alright, making sure the charger is where I want it. And lock it in place. Alright. It also came with a cable, and it's USB-C to USB-C, so it will fit into the charger down in the bottom console. We're going to go ahead and connect that to show you what that's going to look like. Alright. Oh, that's cool. It looks like it lights up green. It's really cool. Okay, let's put a phone on there to show you guys what that's going to look like. And my phone is MagSafe compatible, but if it was not, you would just prep the back and then put this magnet on it. Alright. And it's also charging. That's pretty cool. It seems really sturdy. I do like that. The only thing I don't like is this cable, but I'm sure if you found a way to kind of like mount that in there, then it wouldn't bother you. But it would also bother me that the top of this wouldn't close all the way. I feel like I am pretty messy, and I wouldn't want anything to get in there, especially with the kids and stuff. You know, they have a lot of snacks and stuff. I don't want it to get too bad. So I don't like that. But there are other accessories I have seen where you could put a little charging adapter thing here where it would allow you to close it all the way. But other than that, I do feel like I do like this one better because it doesn't seem so big, I guess, if that's what you want to say. And then I like how it's just the magnet and it will also charge your phone, but the other one you kind of like slide your phone in. I don't know if I would like that as much as this one. This one just seems more convenient. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. We just want to thank Top Fit Tesla for sending us this stuff to unbox and review. It's pretty awesome because we really did need this for the Tesla. It's going to be very handy. We will have a full video coming soon with all the accessories that we have, stuff that we like and stuff that we don't like, and just let you guys know. We'll have links below. Just give this video a like. It will help our channel, and I just want to thank our subscribers for subscribing and liking our channel and it's supporting us. It really does mean a lot.